My superstars, what if I told you that there's an app that pays you $100 for the rest of your life? Would you believe? Yes, this app pays $100 and no kidding. Okay, so you know there are some apps that pay for a while, and after a while it stops paying. Okay, after you've done what you need to do and you keep waiting, it stops paying. But you know what, this particular app pays $100 for the rest of your life. But there's something you need to do. You have to keep creating content. Yes, you need to create content. It's not surveys, it's not anything, it's not playing games. You have to create content. So in this video, I'll be telling you about this amazing app that allows you to make money while creating content. So stay with me. Okay, so like I said, you need to create content to make money from this app. And creating content is very easy. All you need is your smartphone to create content. You don't need any special device. I remember when I started creating content, I used my phone. I used to keep it on the protector. Okay, I didn't have any tripod stand, I didn't have any microphone or any special device, and I grew with just my phone until I was able to afford other devices. So all you need is a good phone that has a camera and an internet access, and that is it. That's all you need to start creating content on this app, and then you make money. So if you see this video, is a reminder that you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025 and start making money. You can create content, different contents on your phone, and then edit it and upload it on YouTube and then make money. Creating content on YouTube, like I said, is very easy. You need to pick a niche. What is a niche? A niche is a topic that is unique to you. It could be health, it could be wealth, it could be anything, it could be lifestyle. Okay, but whatever niche it is you choose, it has to be something you are comfortable with. It has to be something you have passion for, so you can be able to keep creating every day. Okay, all you need to do is create content every day and upload it. It could be as simple as a food you cook. It could be as simple as a hairstyle you know how to make. It could be as simple as that thing you love doing. Okay, your daily routine, your exercise, your cooking skill, whatever it is you know how to do and you love doing, you can share it with people on this platform and make money. Okay, my superstars. All right. So like I said, you need to pick a niche, and we have some niches that do very well. Health does very well. Wealth does very well because people want to know how to make money. Okay, so these are niches. We have lifestyle and other ones that equally do very well. Entertainment, because people want to laugh, it also does very well on this platform. Okay, so all you need to is to open a YouTube channel. If you want me to show you how to open a YouTube channel, you can write it in the comment section, and then I'll make a full video on step-by-step processes on how you can open a YouTube channel. Okay, my superstars. Apart from creating content, you need to be consistent. I know so many people who have been consistent, and in a month they were able to monetize their channel. In 2 months, some monetized in 2 months, some in 6 months, some in 1 year, some in 2 years. Okay, so it all depends on your consistency, your content, the type of content you create. Okay, if people love your kind of content, and the content has to be original. Yes, it's not a case where you go copy someone's content and paste on your channel. It will not be monetized. Okay, it has to be original content, scripted by you, done by you, edited by you, and then uploaded onto your channel. If it's a copy, then it will be flagged and then it won't be. monetized. So you have to create original contents about you. Like myself, I draft my content by myself. I make script my content by myself. I make videos like this. I edit by myself. I upload by myself. Okay, so I it's not a case where you go pick someone's content and then carry it and paste. You will be flagged. The owner will catch you and then okay, so you have to create original content if you want to be monetized in the shortest possible time. And it has to be contents that people love. You have to build a community, carry your followers along. Okay, my superstars, that is all there is to it. And when you have 4,000 watch hours with 1,000 subscribers, you will be monetized. Okay, or you can be monetized with 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers. Okay, so if you're doing shorts, that's a different ball game altogether. But be it shorts or long form videos, you can monetize on YouTube by creating content. Okay, my superstars. So if you have been procrastinating, you've been having plans to start a YouTube channel, but you have been having cold feet, then this video is a reminder that you should start one by the next year. Okay, my superstars. And if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I've done few short videos on video editing that can assist you as a beginner starting content creation. Okay, I've done a video on video editing. I'll leave the links in the description box, or you could go check out my playlist. There's a playlist on video editing. It contains some smart and easy editing tips you'll need to start your content creation. Okay, my superstar, so check it out. And if you have any question, just leave it and I'll get right back to you. Have you liked this video? If you have not, please hit the like button and don't forget to share with that friend who's been procrastinating on starting a YouTube channel. Okay, my superstars, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.